Dear listener, welcome to my channel. Topic of this video is Decision Tree ID3 Iterative Dichotomizer 3 Part 2 Additional Exercises. In Part 1, I have already explained the concept of information theory such as probability and entropy in detail with example and the role of probability and entropy in decision tree. This is a link of Part 1 video. In fast track, we see the decision tree algorithm. Decision tree is supervised learning algorithm. Decision tree algorithm is known as ID3. Expanded work of concept learning system. Build the model in the form of tree. Breaks down the data set into smaller and smaller subset as decision tree is incrementally developed. Tree has decision node that is nothing but attributes and leaf nodes that is final classification label. Root of the decision tree is the best predictor node. It uses the concept of entropy and information gain to construct a decision tree. Based on greedy approach, backtracking is not used. Tree is constructed in top-down and recursive manner. Formula of entropy: H is equal to minus summation of P of x into log to P of x. 4 steps are there in the construction of decision tree. Step 1. Entropy is calculated for entire database. Entropy is calculated for each attribute. Step 3. Attribute having the highest gain is selected as a decision node. So it is nothing but the difference between the entropy of entire database and of that particular attribute. The attribute having the highest gain is selected as a predictor node or the best node. Database D is divided into smaller subset according to category of decision node. Repeat step 1 to 4 unless every record is classified. Step 1. Calculate the entropy for entire database. For example, final class label is yes and no. Then entropy calculation for the entire database is probability of S into log 2 probability of S plus probability of no into log 2 of probability no. This is summation and outside minus sign is there. Even if minus sign is there, entropy is always positive. Step 2. Entropy is calculated for each attribute. Now just make assumption that database has 2 attributes. For first attributes having the 3 categories, part 1, part 2 and part 3. So we require to calculate the entropy for that particular part of that particular attribute. So it is nothing but yes for part 1 and no and part 1. Similarly, we calculate for attribute 1, part 2 and part 3, and after that we calculate the entropy for entire attribute with respect to particular proportion. This is a particular proportion of the part 1, particular proportion of the part 2 and particular proportion of the part 3. So in this way, by summation of that part 1, part 2, part 3, we get the entropy for that particular attribute. Gain is nothing but what? Information gain, which is the difference between the entropy of entire database and with respect to that particular attribute. The node having the or attribute having the highest gain is selected as the decision node. Step 3. Attribute having the highest gain is selected as a decision node and divide the data set by its branches and repeat the same procedure. Now see the problem. Perform classification using ID3 decision tree. Use information gain as measure. See the table. 4 columns are there, in which final column is our class label, that is status, either healthy or unhealthy. 3 attributes are there, N, C and R. N is running nodes, C is coughing and R is red and skin. Now first we require to calculate the entropy for entire database. Total 6 records are there, out of which 2 are healthy and 4 are unhealthy. Therefore, entropy of status is equal to 2 by 6 into log to 2 by 6 plus 4 by 6 into log to 4 by 6. This is the entropy calculation for the healthy and this is for unhealthy, and their summation and outside minus sign is there. After calculation, we are getting the value of 0.92. Next, calculate the entropy for particular attribute. Now consider the attribute running nodes, that is N. This is a categorical attribute. 2 categories are there, one is plus and second is minus. Now we require to check. First we require to create the table like N to status healthy and unhealthy. 3 cases are there, plus and minus 3 3, in which healthy 2, unhealthy 1, minus 0 and 3. See the table. Whenever N is minus, we are getting on all unhealthy status, and when N is plus, we are getting 2 healthy and 1 unhealthy case. So this is the case. Whenever one of the parameter is 0, we are getting the answer 0. That's we already seen in our first part. And whenever there is an equiprobability, we are getting the answer of 1. Now entropy we calculate for particular category. For plus, it is now you require to consider these 3 records only. So 2 by 3 into log to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into log to 1 by 3 summation and their minus sign. We are getting the answer as 0.92. Entropy for minus, as one of the value is 0, so we are getting the entropy as 0. Therefore answer is 0. 0 by 3 and here 3 by 3, so we are getting the answer 0. After that we require to calculate the entropy for that particular status. So proportion of the plus sample is 3 and the proportion of the minus samples are 3. So 3 by 6 into 0.92 plus 3 by 6 into 0, which is equal to 0.46. This is the attribute of running nodes. The gain of running nodes is nothing but the entropy of entire database minus entropy of that particular running node attribute. So 0.92 minus 0.46, we are getting the value 0.46. Now similar way we calculate for the cuffing, that is C. In C again there are 2 cases, that is plus and minus. Plus 3 cases belong to the plus category and 3 cases belong to the minus category. 2 1 is there and 0 3 is there. Again we are getting the same answer as previous, so there is no need to calculate. We can copy down the same answer because 2 and 1 is there, so we are getting the answer 0.92. For 0 3 we are getting the answer 0. So here we can find out that the entropy and the gain for N and C is same. So 3 by 6 into 0.92 plus 3 by 6 into 0, 0.46, and after subtraction we are getting the gain as same. Next is the attribute R. In R, 4 records belong to the plus category and 2 records belong to the minus category. 1 1 equiprobable, so our answer is 1. 1 3 we require to calculate 0.81. Here 1 4 and 3 4, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. In my first video I have explained why there is the answer is 1 when equiprobable is there, and why there is answer is 0 when one of the value is 0. So when equiprobable is there, we require to directly write down the answer 1. Here the proportion of the plus is 4 by 6 and the proportion of minus is 2 by 6 into entropy of that particular category. 4 by 6 into 0.81 plus 2 by 6 into 1 is equal to 0.87. Gain of that particular R, that is red and skin, is 0.05. After that, attribute and gain, running nodes, cuffing and red and skin, 0.46, 0.46, 0.05. Now the gain of the running nodes and cuffings are same, so we can select any one of the node as a decision node. Here I selected the running nodes as our decision node. Running nodes, under running nodes 2 categories are there, plus and minus. Here we are generating the tree incrementally, our database gets divided into smaller and smaller subset. Now we require to create the table, that is for n plus and n minus. Now there is no need to add the n plus field because we are creating the table for n plus and n minus. Only C attribute will come and R attribute will come, and status, C, R and status. This is for n plus and this is for n minus. Therefore our total 6 records are divided into 2 smaller subset of 3 records. Now here we require to check on the right hand side, that is status. When n is minus, all are unhealthy, so there is no need of classification. So whenever minus is there, we are getting the final class as unhealthy. But when n plus is there, the 2 cases are possible. One is healthy and unhealthy. Even if you see the analysis, when C is plus, we are getting healthy, and when C is minus, we are getting unhealthy. Therefore we can easily predict that our next attribute which is powerful is C. Now here there is no need to further classify. This is final class label is attach. Now we require to do for n plus, 3 records are there. First we calculate the gain for C, R, and then we compare. Now in our table, our database is reduced. In our table only 3 records are there, so in which 2 are healthy and 1 is unhealthy. So we calculate the entropy for this small data set, which we are getting 0.92. Next we are calculating the gain for attribute C, that is plus and minus. So first we find out how many records. 2 belong to the plus category, 1 record belongs to minus category. As one of the attribute is 0, there is no need of calculation, we can directly write down the answer 0. Here we are getting the entropy as 0 because there is no randomness, and therefore we are getting the answer 0.92. Similarly we can calculate for R, and here in R, out of 3 records, 2 records belong to the plus category and 1 records belong to the minus category. 1 0, answer is 1. 1 1 equiprobable, answer is 1. After that we take the particular proportion, that is 2 by 3 into 1 plus 1 by 3 into 0, 0.67, and the gain of the gain of R, this is R here, gain of the R is 0.25. Now again here in the table we draw the value. Attributes cuffing we are getting 0.92, and for reddened skin we are getting 0.25. The gain of cuffing is more, so under running nodes we are getting the cuffing as a decision node. After cuffing there are two values, one is plus and one is minus, that is two categories are there. Again we are dividing the table. Now this is our original table, and based on that C value we are dividing the table. So C plus and C minus. Under C plus we are getting the two record, that is plus minus healthy, and under minus we are getting only one record, that is nothing but plus and unhealthy. Here we can easily check that there is no need of classification, because whenever C is plus we are getting the healthy cases, and whenever C is minus we are getting the unhealthy cases. So this is our final decision tree. From the decision tree we require to write down the decision rules so that it is easily understand to the final end user. What are the rules we are getting? We are getting the rules: if running nodes minus, then unhealthy. If running nodes is plus and cuffing is plus, we are getting the status healthy. This is the R3 rule, that is third rule. If running nodes is plus and the cuffing is minus, then status is unhealthy. So this is all about decision tree, that is how to solve a problem using decision tree with the help of entropy and probability. If you like my video, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for listening my video. Thank you.